This is a quick video to go over the basics of the Stride Academy, which is purchased by our district, and it is run by every campus individually. The first thing that you should know is the login is texas.stridelogin.com, and you want to be in Google Chrome, both students and teachers, to ensure to get the best quality and that nothing glitches up while using the Stride Academy. Several tabs that we're going to go over are curriculum in order to differentiate instruction for each student. Settings is how you can change your password. The initial generated password is a bunch of letters and numbers that you'll want to change it to something that you can remember. And then usually this program is used during tutoring when students have extra time in order to work individually and practice to up their skills. Students will get in by entering their ID number and their school code, which is right there, that we'll make sure to share with you, KCS 50006. I'm in Google Chrome, and when logged into it as a teacher, this is the screen that you will see. And then you'll notice your tabs on the side. So we're going to look at settings right here, which is where you can change your password. So right now this is just a demo account. And you can see that change password is at the bottom, and then you'll want to update that after changing the password. Going to the curriculum tab ensures that you can change instruction for individual students or for the entire class. But if you have a student that you feel like needs to start, maybe they're in first grade and they need to start on a kindergarten level for a certain subject, you can do that here. And so you're going to want to make sure that use class settings for the students is unchecked, and then you will choose which aspect of learning that you want to start them on a lower level, and then you will see all your kids and you can choose where they start. The reports tab on the side allows you to get weekly or monthly reports on your students. So you can go ahead and check one of these two and insert your email address, and then notice at the top you can also get real-time reports. And this is a class summary report sample, so you can see the data that you receive. You've got each student's names, you've got the amount of questions answered correct for each subject area, math, reading, science, the minutes per week that they've been spending, and then you can easily see who's in the green, yellow, and red, and which subject they are in the red in. So this helps. If you get these weekly, you can see certain kids hopefully move from red to yellow or yellow to green. You can also search for students individually and get individual reports on each student. And just some features of the Stride Academy that I want to go over before wrapping things up. You can have questions read aloud if you have students that need that. Dictionary, scratch pad, and calculator, tutorial videos. And then the good thing about the Stride Academy is for the kids it's like a game where they earn coins based on their knowledge. So it gets kind of competitive. The kids really want to earn coins. 8 coins is 60 seconds of play, so it's like they're being rewarded for playing. And there's also an anti-guessing feature that I'll show you where to locate that. So anti-guessing is a tab over here to the left, and you can see this is a demo class, but it would show me warnings of students who are just guessing their way through the Stride Academy. Finally, there are a few other tabs that we have not gone over. Rewards is just a way to view rewards for classes. So if you want to make this competitive against classes or students, contests here, if you enter into certain contests, but most of the time the students are going to be just competing kind of individually. And then last one is a quiz builder. You can actually assign quizzes to specific students before they can move on. Usually they're going to start at a base level that you will set for them under curriculum. To get back to the first screen, you're going to go to dashboard. You'll make sure to log out when you are finished. If you have any questions about the Stride Academy, simply ask the person in charge at your campus, which at Granger that's currently Shantae. But for now, having the kids work through it and encouraging them to use the Stride Academy is going to be the most beneficial thing in keeping up with their progress and their points.